Welcome to IT Vision Enterprises Solution to Pass question in BECE Mathematics. Section A Objectives. Year 2002. Questions 1 to 20. First sitting. I am Lawrence Danso-Amoako, alias Capillary Impulse. I am going to be your facilitator.
April 2002. Mathematics. Session A. Objective test. Duration 1 hour. Question 1. If P equals multiples of 4 less than 16, find P. P equals to 4 plus 4, 8, plus 4, 12, plus 4, 16. But it should be less than 16, so the answer is B.
Question 2. The addition below was carried out in piece S. Find S. 2, 4, 3 plus 2, 2, 1 equals 1, 0, 1, 4 to the base S. The highest digit among these figures is 4. So S cannot be 4. It's either 5, 6 or 7. So A is out. Now let us try with 5. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6. In base 5, the highest digit can be 4. So we shall write 6 to be equal to 5 plus 1 and put down 1 over here. 5 in the next column is going to be 1. So we shall add 1 plus 2 plus 2. That is 5. 5 can be written as 5 plus 0. We shall put 0 over here. And 5, the next column is going to be 1. So the answer is B.
Question 3. A farmer left home at 4:35 a.m. and arrived on his farm at 6:18 a.m. How long did he take to get to his farm? We shall subtract 4:35 a.m. from 6:18 a.m. 6:18 a.m. can be written as 6 hours 18 minutes. Then 4:35 a.m. can be written as 4 hours 35 minutes. Now, if we subtract 35 from 18, we shall get negative. To work around this, we shall borrow 1 hour, which equals 60 minutes, and send to this column. So, rewriting the above, 6 hours will become 5 hours. And then 60 plus 18, we shall get 78 minutes minus 4 hours 35 minutes. This will give us 4 minutes, and this 1 hour. So the answer is B. Question 4. Express 2,474.5 in standard form. In the standard form, there should be 1 digit to the left of the decimal point, which is not 0. So, to obtain this from 2474.5, we shall shift the decimal point 1, 2, 3 places to the left. And this is the same as dividing the above number by 1 with 3 zeros. So 2,474.5 divided by 1 with 3 zeros. Since we have divided by 1 with 3 zeros, we shall multiply by 1 with 3 zeros. And this one here equals to 2.4745 times 10,000. And this one here equals 2.4745. This is the same as 10 raised to the power 3. So the answer is B. In short, to convert 2,474.5 into the standard form, we shall shift the decimal point 3 places to the left to obtain 2.4745 and therefore multiply by 10 raised to the power 3. Question 5. Simplify 1.5 plus 2 1/4 minus 3 5/8. That is 1.5 plus 2 1/4 minus 3 5/8. This is the same as 1 plus 2 minus 3 plus half plus quarter minus 5/8 minus 5/8. 1 plus 2 minus 3 equals 0 plus half plus 1/4 minus 5/8. The LCM of 2, 4, and 8 is 8. 2 into 8, 4 times the numerator, we shall get 4. 4 into 8, 2 times the numerator, we shall get 2. 8 into 8, 1 times the numerator, we shall get 5. So 4 plus 2 minus 5 is 1/8. So the answer is 1/8. Question 6. Find the next two numbers in the sequence. That is 2, 5, 9, 14, 20. Take note that 2 plus 3 equals to 5. 5 plus 4 equals to 9. 9 plus 5 equals to 15. 14 plus 6 equals to 20. So the next number is going to be 20 plus 7. That's 27. And the next number is going to be 27 plus 8. That is 35. So the answer is D. Question 7. The sum of three numbers is 28,542. Two of the numbers are 10,250 and 9,750. Find the third number. We shall first find the sum of the two numbers. That's 10,250 and then 9,750. 0, 0, 0, 20,000. Now we shall subtract 20,000 from 28,542 to get the third number, and the answer is 8,542, which equals to B. Question 8. 135 pencils were to be packed into boxes. Each box could take 12 pencils. Find the number of boxes which were fully packed. We shall divide 1 35 by 12. We shall use the long division method. 135. 12 goes here, 1. So the difference is 1, 5. Then 1, 12, 3. So the answer is 11, remainder 3. So the number of boxes equals to 11. Question 9. Which of the fractions 13 over 20, 3 over 5, 3/4, and 7 over 10 is the greatest? The LCM of 20, 5, 4, and 10 is 20. So we shall rewrite the fractions to have a denominator of 20. So 13 over 20 is still 13 over 20. Then for 3 over 5, we shall multiply by 4 and divide by 4. So we shall get 12 over 20. For 3 over 4, multiply by 5, divide by 5. We shall get 15 over 20. And then for 7 over 10 by 2 by 2. So 14 over 20. Now the denominators for the fractions are all the same. So we shall compare the fractions using their numerators. Now the greatest among the numerators is 15. So that's the highest, which corresponds to 3/4. So the answer is B. Question 10. Out of 550,000 cedis given to a school, an amount of 325,000 was used. What fraction of the total amount was used? It's going to be equal to 325,000 divided by 550,000. Zeros will cancel out. 5 goes here, 6, 5, and 5 goes here, 1, 1, 0. 5 goes here, 1, 3, 5 goes here, 2, 2. So the answer is 13 over 22, which is E. Question 11. Kofi bought 4 pencils at 200 Ghana cedis each and 5 pens at 350 cedis each. How much did he pay all together? The cost of the pencils is going to be equal to 4 times 200, and that of the pens is going to be equal to 5 times 350. This one here equals to 800. Now 350 times 5, 0, 25, carry 2, 15, 17. So this one here equals 1,750. So we shall add up the two numbers, 1,750 plus 800, 0552. So the answer is C. Question 12. John's uncle sent him 120,000 cedis through a bank which charges 5% commission. How much commission was paid? We shall find 5%. That's 5 over 100 of 120,000. Zeros will cancel out. So we are left with 12,000 times 5. So 0006. 6,000. The answer is B. Question 13. 8 girls can weed a plot of land in 10 days. How many days will 5 girls take to weed the same plot, working at the same rate? 8 girls will take 10 days. Therefore, 5 girls will take more days. If more, less, divide. So 8 over 5 times 10 days. This goes here 2. So 16 days. So the answer is D. Question 14. A mapping is defined by S maps into S squared minus 1. Find the image of 3 under the mapping. The mapping is S maps into S squared minus 1. Therefore, 3 will map into 3 squared minus 1, which equals to 9 minus 1, which equals to 8. So the answer is D. Question 15. A typist charges 2,000 cedis for the first 5 sheets typed and 600 cedis for any additional sheet. How much will Barbara pay if he presents 20 sheets for typing? For the first 5 sheets, Barbara is going to pay 5 times, which will give us 10,000. Now, 5 from 20, 15 sheets will be left, and the charge is going to be equal to 600, and this will give us 9,000. So the total is 19,000. So the answer is D. Question 16. Amma covered a distance of 100 meters in 12 seconds. Express her speed in kilometers per hour. Now, the distance covered by Amma is 100 meters, but we know 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. So the distance in kilometers is going to be 100 divided by 1,000 kilometers. Zeros will cancel out. So 1 over 10 kilometers, or kilometer divided by 10. Now the time T equals 12 seconds. But we know 1 hour to be equal to 60 minutes. And then 1 minute to be equal to 60 seconds. So the seconds into hours is going to be 12 divided by 60 times 60 hours. 12 goes here 1, 12 goes here 5. So we shall get hour divided by 60 times 5. But we know the distance traveled D equals the speed times time. So the speed equals to the distance divided by the time. The distance we know to be equal to kilometer divided by 10. And the time we know to be equal to T, hour divided by 60 times 5. Now, this is the same as kilometer divided by 10 times 60 times 5 divided by hour. 10 goes here 1, 10 goes here 6. Take note that we changed the division sign to multiplication sign, so we have to reverse the fraction over here to this. So we shall get kilometer, then 6 times 5 all divided by hour, which is the same as 30 kilometers per hour, or divided by hour. So the answer is D. Question 17. Yakubu, Seidu, and Amina shared an amount of money in the ratio 3:4:5. Find how much was shared if Amina received 40,000 cedis. Yakubu, Seidu and Amina shared the money in the ratio 3:4:5. The total ratio is therefore 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 12. Amina's ratio is 5, so the 5 will correspond to the 40,000 cedis she received. Now the total amount will correspond to the total ratio, so 12 will give us more. If more, less divides. So 12 divided by 5 times 40,000. 5 goes here 1, 5 goes here 8,000. 12 times 8 equals to 96, so 96,000. So the answer is C. Question 18. Aban paid 630,000 for a bicycle at a discount of 10%. Find the actual selling price of the bicycle. The bicycle was sold at a discount of 10%. This means that Aban paid 90% for the bicycle. That is 100% minus 10. So 90% will correspond to 630,000. Therefore, 100% is going to give us more. If more, less divides. So 100 divided by 90 times 63,000. Zeros will cancel out. 9 goes here 1, 9 goes here 7, 1, 2, 3. So 100% will match into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 7 with 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 700,000. So the answer is D. Question 19. The population of a town in 1990 was 88,000. The population increased by 20% in 1998. Find the population in 1998. We shall first calculate the increase in population, which is 20% of 88,000, or 20 over 100 times 88,000. Zeros will cancel out. So we shall get 20 times 88 0. So 88 0 times 20. The 2 zeros. This time this 16 carry 1, 17. So 17600. Now that is the increase in population. So the population in 1998 is going to be the population in 1990, which equals 88,000 plus 17600. So 006,510. So the answer is D. Question 20. If A star B equals 2A minus B, find 3 star 2. A star B equals 2A minus B. Therefore, 3 star 2 equals to, take note that A equals to 3 and B equals to 2. So 2 times 3 minus 2, which equals to 6 minus 2, which equals to 4. Will be more.